Hello and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today we're going to go over installing another Docker container. And this is the 12th day of Docker, and it is the 12th Docker container that I've done in the last 12 days. So this is a easy one, or should be an easy one to install. This is basically another type of shopping app, if you will. The biggest problem I have is, currently we do use Mealy, but Mealy is based on the meals that mostly me and my wife decide on, and the kids have other things and stuff like that. So basically, we just need a grocery list that everyone can add to. So that's where I think Koffan can actually help. So what I'm going to do is actually install that one and see how that works. So we're going to log into our system that we've been using currently for containers. Inside of there, we're going to change directory into containers. From there, we're going to do a make directory of Koffan, and then we're going to change into Koffan. From there, we're going to do our standard nano compose.yaml. And inside of there, we are going to paste the compose.yaml. We'll go from the very top. Basically, you have your services, Koffan image, name of the container. Port is going to be 3005 external, or one that we're going to access. And then internal is going to be 80. And then we've got a volume of data. Password, obviously change this. Your health check, and also the volume down here as well. So we're going to save that, and we're going to do our standard Docker compose up-d, and that will pull down the image, and then it'll actually set up this container. Okay, we just ran the Docker compose up-d. Everything is completed. So now we're just going to do a Docker compose logs. And according to this, it looks like everything is set up to go. As we know, the 80 is on the inside. So the outside is actually going to be the 3005. So now we will just go to a browser, put in our IP address, and there it is, Koffan. Log in to continue. So password was the one that we initially had. So here we are, we've logged in. We have our list, and then here's a new list. And then also here, you can set your languages and stuff like that. So we are going to say, delete that one. And we're going to say, create a shopping list. We'll create a list and we'll just call it Wednesday shopping. And now we have that there. So here we created a new shopping list called Wednesday shopping. And then we're going to hit the control panel over on this side. It says manage sections. So a new section, we're going to put produce. Another section, we're going to put fun snacks. They always seem to get in there. And we'll close that out. And then now on the left-hand side, you can see that we have a selection. So we can say produce, what to buy, and we want cabbage. And add. So now we've got cabbage on our list. Now what's nice about this is anyone can log in or can log in with that same user account and add it to the Wednesday shopping list. So next user can come in and they can add meats, and we want chicken, 1 pound. Click add, and now we've got meats. Or like I said, with produce, and we can say tofu. And I got those two things. This is Koffan. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully this will help you in your grocery shopping. If you have multiple people that seem to never be able to get to a certain time, you can basically set up these shopping lists. Like, I shop on Wednesday. If it's not in there, I'm not going to get it. Or, put everything in there that you want. I'm going to the store, and then you can take this with you. You can actually create it, export it into maybe a Keep or whatever you want for that. But anyways, this is Koffan. This is the grocery shopping app. I hope you enjoyed that. This is number 12 of the 12 days of Docker. I hope you enjoy it. If you would, please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. Tell me what you'd like me to cover, or if it was good, bad, and different. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and have a great rest of the night.